If you are a beginner to crochet and are wondering what you need to start crocheting with, then look no further. This complete list of the best crochet kits for beginners will help you get headed in the right direction of your crocheting journey. Crochet kits will usually include yarn and a pattern to work with. This type of set is convenient and makes it possible for a beginner to start crocheting right away. Sometimes kits will include other basic crochet supplies. These items are usually ones that you'll need to get started on your journey of how to start crocheting, like yarn, crochet hooks, yarn needle, aka darning needle or tapestry needle, stitch markers, scissors, digital pattern or printed pattern. Number 1. 4M Easy-to-do Crochet Kit. If you're trying to get your kids started in crochet, then we'd recommend buying them a full kit with instructions and the supplies they'll need just to get them started. That way they can dive right into the fun of using it, rather than having to participate in a potentially overwhelming trip to the yarn store when they're not really sure what they're actually looking for yet. This kit from 4M is the perfect example of what we mean. The best part of this kit is that it comes with a selection of yarn colors, rather than just one, meaning your kids will still feel like they're getting to put some thought and choice into their first project. Besides the hook and notions, it also includes a very simple book that's visual, filled with good guidance for the basics, and will actually help them make things so they feel like they're getting results, rather than just tying knots in yarn. Number 2. Mira Handcrafts 24 Acrylic Yarn Bonbons. Are you actually completely convinced that your kids are ready to learn how to crochet in a slightly more prepared way, so you're trying to give them as many supplies and options at once as you can in order to keep up with their excitement? Then we think this complete kit from Mira Handcrafts might be a little more up your alley. Besides giving you a whole color range and full balls of yarn, rather than samples of each, they also provide you with 7 very useful ebooks that give lessons in the basics, guide you through beginner projects, and show you how to properly start and finish certain things. It's almost as though the kit comes with its own miniature classes. Number 3. KOKNIT Set of 14 pieces. Have you actually finished 1 or 2 projects now, and you're pretty sure you're going to stick quite happily with this new hobby of yours, but you think it's time to more properly equip yourself? Then we'd recommend getting a full set of crochet hooks in a range of sizes, as well as all of the necessary notions. This neat little set from Cocknet is the perfect example of what we mean. Besides a full set of usefully sized hooks, which you could feasibly use for the next 10 years thanks to their metal tips and cushioned handles, this set also gives you stitch markers, darning needles in their own tiny case, and a measuring tape. Perhaps best of all, it comes in an adorable pink zipping bag, so you have a place to keep it organized without losing anything. Number 4. Crochet Hook Set with Ergonomic Handles. Crochet Hooks Kit 31-piece set with 9 ergonomic hook sizes, 6 yarn needles, additional knitting and crochet supplies and carrying case. Comfortable. Enjoy crocheting without the fatigue? The hooks in our crochet kit feature soft rubber grips to help relieve discomfort. Easy to use. Perfect for adults and kids, each long aluminum crochet hook has a smooth and tapered tip to keep yarn in place and prevent slipping or snagging. Labeled. Every crochet needle has a color-coded handle printed with both the letter and number sizes ranging from B1, 2 mm, to J10, 6 mm. 31 tools. Our crochet hook set includes 9 hook sizes, 6 yarn needles, 10 stitch markers, 2 stitch holders, scissors, measuring tape, ruler, and a row counter. Crafty gift. Packed neatly in a convenient crochet bag, this complete crochet set makes a great surprise to the beginner and expert crocheters in your life. Number 5. Teamoy Knitting Bag Set. The Teamoy Knitting Bag Set is a great solution for serious hobbyists who like to take their crochet on the go. The numerous compartments are perfectly sized for separating knitting needles, hooks and multiple colors of yarn. There's space for current projects on top of all that, and the bag itself is lightweight enough to take anywhere. Spacious interior with divider. Patent pending. 6 interior compartments with matching holes on the top are great to keep skeins of yarn separated and prevent tearing, tangling or fraying. The inside divisions go all the way to the bottom to prevent small items from running around. Clear top. The flexible and clear PVC cover allows you to easily see what's inside without opening. The 6 small holes for different colors of yarn to feed through. 3 sets of magic tapes keep yarn in place when not knitting. Superior quality. Crafted from strong nylon material with clear PVC top, lightweight and durable. The top two-way zipper and magnet snap design keeps your knitting supplies and projects away from rain, dust, curious kitties, dogs and their fur. Smart design. Half-open design on the top allows you to put your unfinished projects into the bag without cutting away the yarn. Front pouches and elastic loops for crochet hooks and accessories. Side and back pouches to store the ultimate guide, knitting supplies, and more. Easy to carry. The handle and removable adjustable shoulder strap give you the option to carry it by hand or on the arm. Wear it over the shoulder or across the body like a messenger. A must-have gift for an avid knitter, crochet beginner, knitting enthusiasts. From my end, I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.